I'm Sunil from Clean and Exterior Clean Melbourne. Here we are currently today on a offering a bird proofing solution here for this client. As you can see, I've just had to start clearing out the debris from this bird's nest. As you can see, this is what the birds often do. They build this kind of nesting underneath the panels. It seems to be mostly pigeons and minor birds that seem to do this. So it's always good to think about whether you want to protect your solar investment by installing a UV stabilized mesh that prevents the birds from getting underneath. If you've got a Colorbond roof and you're not sure, you should hear the birds. If you're home during the day or even at night, they will, you know, if you've got a Colorbond roof, you should be able to hear it. But if you've got a tiled roof, you might just have to do an inspection every now and again, or if you get your panels cleaned, which we can also do for you, we can have a look for you and give you an idea as to whether they are nesting. Now, the important thing is with bird nests and working underneath a solar array, bear in mind solar arrays are direct current, okay, DC. So when you look underneath one, as you'll see here, there's all this wiring that is in there, all these connectors in to transfer that current through to your inverter. Okay, now, so the short story about this is pressure washers should never be used underneath the solar array, okay? So don't ever do that. Okay everyone, so these are the finished results. All the mesh, I'll just show you here so you can kind of see it. It's a metallic mesh, and it's all clipped into the frame. Okay, now these are all these bolts or plastic bolts, whatever you want to call them. They are UV stabilized, so and there's a warranty on this for 5 years on the mesh and the fittings. So yeah, it's a nice job. As you can see here, you know, it's quite a nice thick coated mesh, so it won't rust in any way or form. And of course it's right around the panels, right along the edges there. It's quite a nice tidy job, and there's no chance of any birds or any animals getting underneath the mesh. So yeah, I hope that kind of gives you an idea of the product. And this is not bought, you can see it's all through here too, not bought from Bunnings. Okay, so we don't use Bunnings products. This is bought through a professional company. It's actually, some of these components are manufactured in Australia, which is nice to know, out in South Australia. So there you go folks, I hope that's helpful to you. And certainly if you have any issues with birds under your solar array, or even if you just want to protect the investment, it's not a significant cost, give us a call and we'll be able to give you an idea of price. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And if you haven't seen some of our other videos relating to solar, we obviously clean them, we obviously do roofs, and there's a whole range of exterior cleaning services that we do offer. So do have a look if you get a chance, and thanks for watching.